What's up, chickens? Huh? It's okay, chickens. Just checking on you guys. All you chickens here? Almost time to clean the coop. What's wrong with you, bud? They've been picking on you? Huh? Yeah, they've been picking on you. Hopefully your feathers come back. There's probably this guy right here. That guy's the main one. Hey, mamas. What you doing back there? Huh? A whole lot of black chickens in here. And you're all fucking staring at me. That's okay. It's because of the light. Huh? Good chicken. You good chicken? You a good chicken? Look at my body. There's my body right there. There's the head guy. There's my big boy. Yep, that's my big boy. What's up, buddy? Super fast. Look at that blue.